This is a flyer for Theatre Clwyd's upcoming audio-described performances of Tick Tick Boom, the hit musical by Jonathan Larson, the visionary creator of the cult classic Rent.
New York. John is struggling. A dead-end job.
I've been waiting tables for 4 years, Suze. I always thought by the time I was 30, I'd either have a hit show or a really lucrative sellout career, but I've got neither.
A girlfriend who wants to settle down.
We could just get out of here.
What do you mean?
Live somewhere else. Somewhere beautiful, near a beach, Cape Cod.
Leave New York?
And a musical he can't finish.
I've spent the last 5 years writing a musical called Superbia, and we're doing a workshop this week.
Does he leave the city and his dreams behind? Or follow his passion but risk losing everything?
An autobiographical musical about the ambition, perseverance, and sacrifice needed to reach the edge of greatness.
Bydd cynhyrchiad Tick Tick Boom Theatr Clwyd yn cael ei gyfarwyddo gan Kate Wasserberg, ei goreograffi gan Lucy Cullingford gyda Bob Broad yn gyfarwyddwr cerddorol. Llyfr cerddoriaeth a geiriau gan Jonathan Larson, ymgynghorydd sgript David Auburn, trefniannau lleisiol a cherddorfeydd Stephen Oremus. Bydd y sain ddisgrifiad yn cael ei ddarparu gan Hear the Picture am 7:30 ar y 19 o Fehefin ac am 2:00 ar y 15 o Fehefin, gyda 7 gyffwrdd cyn dechrau'r perfformiad. Bydd nodiadau rhagarweiniol yn cael eu recordio a byddant ar gael cyn y perfformiad, ond byddant hefyd yn cael eu cyflwyno'n fyw, 1/4 cyn dechrau'r sioe. Am docynnau a gwybodaeth bellach, cysylltwch â Swyddfa Docynnau Theatr Clwyd ar dim 1352 344 111 neu trwy e-bostio box.office@theatreclwyd.com neu trwy'r wefan ar www.theatreclwyd.com.